Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, if the cruise control does not work, what can easily cause that? We will demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram here. What we're going to do now, guys, we're going to open the hood, and here under the hood on the driver's side, okay, that's your car battery. In front of it is the main fuse box. Press these two tabs, open that cover, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. First, guys, we need to check one fuse for the cruise control. We will explain then what else can cause it not to work. Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The fuse that we need to check is in that row of fuses here. That's fuse number 79, 80, 81, 82. Fuse number 82 is for your cruise control that you will need to check. Other things that can easily cause cruise control not to work could be bad cruise control switch on the steering wheel. If you want to see how to test cruise control switch, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channels. It could be something completely different. We're talking about brake light switch. That's the device on the brake paddle that detects if you press the brakes. If that brake light switch does not work, the cruise control will not work. So if you want to see how to test, how to replace brake light switch, we have videos on our YouTube channels how to do that. In some cases you may just need to calibrate the brake light switch. Another thing, if you have, guys, usually if you have light or warning for ABS traction control, that can deactivate the cruise control in some cases too. Another thing could be, guys, okay, could be this is known as a cock spring. This is between the steering wheel and the steering column. It transfers the wire signal from the steering wheel because it allows it to spin to the steering column on this side, and if it fails, that can cause it not to work as well. Those will be the first things that we'll check on Dodge Ram. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.